what you're looking at here is a 52-inch Moss Tropical Breeze Deluxe ceiling fan, manufactured in 1982. You guys may have seen my other video made of this fan about a week ago. If you missed that video, I'll post the link in the description below. Earlier today, I took down my SMC Emperor and put this up. Alright, I'll pick up the phone and give you a closer look at it. Alright, here's a better view. This fan is a spinner fan. I'm standing on a stool right now because the blades are at least 9 feet high. It's pretty high. The blades are reversible stencil to non-stencil blades. There's a top shot of the fan. Alright, I'll place the phone back down. Alright, now I'll demonstrate it for you. Here's low. This fan is pretty wobbly. On medium, it wobbles a little bit, but on high, it wobbles like crazy, which you'll see in a minute. But on low, it's perfect. Here's medium. It's starting to wobble. Alright, here's high. Here's a closer look at it running. Alright, thanks for watching.